In 1 year, I went from looking like this to this. Not just that, but I also did it while working 10 to 12 hour shifts within the blue collar industry. Last video, you got the full day of eating. This video is the full day of eating, blue collar edition.
Card all of my kidneys. I'm one hustling that young nigga. I got wrecked stuffed all of my dinner.
It is 4:30. I typically leave the house around 5:30, and I don't get home until about the same time, 5:30, 6. I'm about to eat breakfast, which is 4 eggs and 4 slices of this great value turkey breast. It has the same macros as egg beaters. So literally the same macros as egg whites. 25 calories, 5 grams of protein per slice. We're gonna pair that with 4 of these large brown eggs for protein and healthy fats. I think the cut is doing its thing, boy. The cut is doing it. Alright, so we got eggs and turkey, man. This meal is about 380 calories and around 40 grams of protein. They're also a really good source of healthy fats and cholesterol, so I can maintain healthy hormones. Now, I know I didn't use the traditional method of cooking these eggs, but microwaving it, there's nothing wrong with it, man. It's real quick, it's easy, and like I said, I need to get out the door in about an hour to go to work, so this is just super quick and easy to whip up. Gonna keep me full until about 11 o'clock when I have my lunch. I gotta get to work in a little bit, so I'm gonna eat this real quick and I'll see you at lunchtime. Catch it. Lunchy. Yes sir. You know I had to include the chicken and rice and broccoli. I had to. I've been eating this exact meal for lunch for probably about the past 6 months. If you season your chicken right, you season your broccoli right, you cook your rice with chicken broth, and it tastes amazing. 10 ounces of chicken thighs, 1.5 servings of white rice or jasmine rice, 2 cups of broccoli. I also put 2 servings of YOUU sweet chili sauce on it. I absolutely love that stuff. It tastes amazing. 650 calories and about 66 grams of protein. I didn't realize how much money that I was going to be saving once I started meal prepping. It's not like if you meal prep, you're binded to that meal either. Like if, you know, the crew that you're working with wants to go to a restaurant and you really want to eat at that restaurant, then you're not really binded to it. When I first started dieting, it was a struggle because I didn't meal prep, and every day at lunch, my crew wants to eat at, you know, Captain D's, and all these buffets and whatnot. So I'm actually sitting in a parking lot of Pizza Hut right now while eating this. So, you know, meal prepping is just a good tool. It's a good skill to learn, you know. But yeah, if you don't meal prep, try it at least 1 week and see how it works for you. You'll save so much money. Overall, it's just a great habit to develop. So I'm gonna finish this, and I'll see you when I get off work. So I just got home from work. It is about 5:30. Time for me to take a shower and I'll make my pre-workout meal. So the pre-workout meal is a packet of instant oatmeal. I did the peaches and cream today, and about 75 grams of blueberries. Most people, they opt for like fast acting carbs like Rice Krispies and stuff like that, but I just prefer blueberries and oatmeal, to be honest with you. I mean, you can do whatever you want. I'm gonna eat this and then in about 30 minutes go to the gym, and I'll see you for the post-workout meal. All right, I'd say that was a pretty successful lift. I wasn't able to record all my sets, but I did a little bit of quads, hamstrings. I don't think I recorded any hamstring sets actually. It was only like it was only 3 sets of like laying curls and then 3 sets of seated hamstring curls, but I recorded some quads. I didn't record the leg press and the hack squats, but I recorded some quads, and I decided to throw biceps in because they felt like they needed to be hit. Now I'm gonna go home and take a shower, and then I'll see you for the post-workout meal. I just recorded that whole entire clip, and I got a new mic, so I'm not completely used to it yet, and I thought it was turned on, but it wasn't. The whole clip is just completely mute. There's no sound, so here I am talking over it. Unfortunately, I already ate it. You know, that just goes to show how good it is to me. I'm extremely sorry, and I'll make sure this never happens again. That meal was 8 ounces of lean ground beef, 1 keto bun, 2 slices of American cheese, 12 ounces of zucchini, and 9 ounces of russet potatoes. The calories, of course, are going to be popped up somewhere, just like they have been in the rest of the video. As long as you make healthy food swaps and just eat things that you know you're going to enjoy every day, fat loss dieting isn't a problem. Again, I'm super sorry for this happening. It won't happen again. With that being said, I will see you for the next meal, which if you saw the last video, you would know it is ice cream. My favorite sweet treat at the end of the night. Blueberry cheesecake ice cream, to be exact. Yes, sir. Again, I'm sorry for messing up the audio. It will not happen again. I'm so sorry. Last video, I explained that pretty much every night I have this Ninja Creamy ice cream. If you want to know how to make it, like I said in my last video, I do show you exactly how to make it, but this is about 250 calories and like 40 grams of protein for this entire pint of ice cream. Only made possible by the Ninja Creamy, but it's completely worth it if you drop the money on the Ninja Creamy. This is the best tasting ice cream I've ever had in my entire life. And it's under 300 calories. But that brings me to my next point. I love cereal. And this is a blueberry cheesecake ice cream. One of my favorite cereals is Golden Grams. So I have half a serving. Sorry about that, fellas. My camera decided to take a dive. If you do half a serving and you keep it under your caloric deficit for the day, you can have cereal. Really and truly, if you had 2,000 calories of cereal and your caloric maintenance is 2,200, you will still lose weight even though it's cereal. No matter what you eat, if you are in a caloric deficit, you will lose weight. But one of the biggest things about dieting is just enjoying what you eat, you know? Like, if I didn't have this ice cream every night, I could definitely see myself, you know, going to the pantry, grabbing a couple handfuls of this cereal and making it, you know, 4 servings of cereal instead of a half serving of cereal because I want something sweet at the end of the night, and I'm restricting myself from eating this ice cream and this half serving of cereal. As you see, I had burgers and ice cream today, and in my last day of eating, I had burgers and ice cream. The biggest thing about losing weight is just finding ways to eat the foods that you enjoy while still being in a calorie deficit. That's the biggest, most proving factor of how long you will maintain a healthy diet. If you're not enjoying what you're eating, you're not going to continue to eat it. Show me somebody who won't enjoy this blueberry cheesecake ice cream. And if you don't like blueberry cheesecake, you can use any protein powder you want. Any protein powder. Look at this, man. Look at this. And then, like I said, a little bit of graham cracker action. A little golden graham action, you know what I'm saying? Give it a little bit of that crunch. Crunch. Cereal is always demonized. It's always talked bad about, which, yes, if you eat this in a surplus, it's going to ruin your fat loss diet. But if you build habits like these, eating healthy ice cream every night, weight loss is nothing. And comment below, what would be your favorite protein powder in this ice cream? Because I definitely love the Rise Blueberry Muffin, but if y'all have a flavor that you think would just hit the spot, please let me know, because I want to experiment with more flavors. I do a Reese's Cup flavor every now and then. I might do that in the next video, just so y'all can see what that's all about. Another full day of eating in the books. You know, even if you work a construction job, a 9 to 5, whatever, you can still find ways to be in a deficit. You just got to be motivated to reach your goal. You just have to be motivated to lose fat and maintain a healthy lifestyle. As you can see, I got a mic now. I posted my first video, and like half of this video I don't have a mic. I finally have a mic. The audio quality in my videos are going to go way up. I wanted to create content and I didn't have a mic yet, and I wanted to get used to the creation of the content. Next is a better camera and a better computer to edit these videos for y'all. I promise I'm trying my absolute best to pump out the most educational and quality content as possible. I just got to take steps, work it up, work it up, work it up, work it up. And the more y'all share this content, the easier it is for me to grow this channel. I'm really enjoying making these videos. It's super fun letting y'all know what I do. It's super fun helping y'all out. And if you have any questions about anything that was in this video, just comment down below or send me a DM. My Instagram is LandoSwole. If you want to know how to make this, the link to the last video will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a blessed day.